Guys, I'm quite certain that in UK this is the most beautiful mall that I've ever been to. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So आज मैं और ईश्वरी, this is my colleague and friend ईश्वरी, and आज हम लोग आए हैं लंदन में एक साइट विजिट के लिए ऑफिशियल काम से. And we're almost done with it, so we thought we'll quickly grab something because I'm super duper hungry and I can't really control my hunger anymore. She's good though. So we're looking for a place. We're sort of lost, but you know, where we parked the car and where there is a nice restaurant or cafe around, so we're still hunting for it. So I'll show you around while we find one place to eat. So let's go.
There.
Yeah, let's go there.
I am seeing something there, like there are a few cafes, I guess.
Yeah, so the thing is, we are sort of lost because we don't even know कि हम लोग आए कहाँ से थे. So अभी हम लोग यही सोच रहे हैं कि कहाँ से आए थे, कहाँ को जाना है, and कहाँ पे हमें कुछ खाने को मिलेगा. So sort of puzzle. So she's saying we came from there and let's go that way. So we're just going that way now.
This treat was really good.
You know what? We actually came from here because I remember passing through this thing. You remember?
I don't remember crossing it there. So, like crossing straight. I remember going like this.
Okay, if you say so. Let's go then.
We can always come back.
Yeah, we can always come back, and I think by the time we'll be done, these guys will be back. So one thing that I love about London is that people are so nicely dressed. When you see around, like people are so smartly dressed, like in those nice long coats and mufflers and everything. So that's something that we need to take some tips from, you know, dressing tips from these guys. So yeah, back to the park. बाय द वे आज हम लोग 6 बजे ऑफिस पहुँचे थे. Come now, come. We stopped the car. So she got up at 4 and I got up at almost 5 and we reached the office at 6. So that's one of the reasons that we both are starving and looking for a place. My camera work is so poor. I never notice where my camera is going. It's literally close to my chin.
If you want, we can use office gimbal.
Oh yeah, we should use office gimbal, no? So finally हम लोग को एक जगह मिली है and we hope that's a nice place, so we are going there. Nakora, let's go to Nakora. I hope you're pronouncing it right. यहीं से क्रॉस करें क्या? If nobody is coming, let's quickly cross. Is it from here? No, it's from there. Oh, they don't have anything to eat, I guess. They do have this kind of stuff. So finally खाने को तो हमें मिल गया था. And look at my hair, oh my god, they look horrible. Anyway, खाने के लिए तो हमें एक कैफ़े मिल गया था. We had sandwich there. And then these guys free from the job where they went, our team members. And then we went to another cafe, which was great. Their custard Danish was amazing. And I love the English breakfast tea as well. It was basic but still nice. Now we are heading back home to the office first, then to home. फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। वैसे तो वेलकम बैक मैंने इससे पहले वाले पार्ट में कर दिया था, बट आई नो वाई, आई जस्ट लव सेइंग वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो अभी जो पिछला, इससे पहले जो आपने देखा वो था लंदन में जो हम लोग गए थे अपनी ऑफिस की टीम के साथ साइट विजिट के लिए। एंड इट इज़ लाइक दिस प्रोसेस इज दैट प्रोजेक्ट इज स्टिल अंडर द रैप, सो वी कांट रियली रिवील मच अबाउट इट। इसीलिए मैंने वहाँ जाके साइट विजिट में कुछ शूट नहीं किया। मैंने सिर्फ आपको रास्ते की जर्नी दिखाई थी। इट वॉज लाइक अ फन राइड एंड बहुत अच्छी विजिट रही थी। दैट वॉज लंडन एंड नाउ वी हैव कम टू मैनचेस्टर and again I am with Ishwari. That time we had like a bigger team. This time it's just Ishwari and I who have come to this event. So me and my love for shopping mall, we have come to Trafford Center, जो कि जहाँ पे हम इवेंट पे आए थे उसके बिल्कुल पास ही था। एंड हमने सोचा अब हम फ्री हो गए हैं टाइम से, लेट्स जस्ट पे अ क्विक विजिट बिकॉज हमारी ट्रेन थोड़ा लेट है। सो वी जस्ट गोइंग इन नाउ। The glitz and glam of Selfridges. यहाँ से come in. Exactly, बिल्कुल ही हम दोनों के चेहरे कितने उतरे हैं, like we are so tired. I got up at 5:30 and she got up at 5. So हम लोग के चेहरे पे आज इतना ज़्यादा टायर्डनेस दिख रही है। This is the part that I've been wanting to visit. कैसा लग रहा है?
Nice. बट ये ठीक है ना, ये पोर्ट्रेट में
quick glance through the Selfridges because I wanted to buy a gift for Amu, but I couldn't really get any nice offer. I didn't even like anything much. So now we are heading to the main Trafford Center. But before I head there, you should see this. Look how beautiful it is. It feels so European. Very pretty. The camera again isn't doing justice to this. बहुत बड़ा मॉल है ये, बट आई डोंट नो मुझे कुछ क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है. सो लेट्स सी कि आज कुछ मिलता है नहीं मिलता है मुझे अम्मू के लिए एनिवर्सरी गिफ्ट. आई विल शो यू. Look at the size of pots, plant pots. They aren't plants actually, they are like trees, big palm trees. Finally, I shot something. And look at this. Guys, I'm quite certain that in UK this is the most beautiful mall that I've ever been to. You gotta see this. Wherever I'm going, I'm just so surprised that it's just getting prettier and better. So you gotta see this. Can you see the railing? It's so luxe. And just look at that. They have got all the fanciest brands possible. Look at that. I don't know. What's that? New Orleans. That's fancy. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this place. Such pretty restaurants and bars. It just feels like a small world. Look, it's been created as if it's like a street. They have those street signs. Look at this. Just look at this. And then look at that. I'm absolutely awestruck. This is so pretty. And oh my god, you gotta see this. Wow. You gotta see this. गाना है और ये खुद ही बज रहा है.